How to use advanced options in Silhouette Studio Fill Panel. Step 1. First import some clipart into the media. Step 2. Go to the Fill panel from the right toolbar. Step 3. Click Advanced Options at the bottom of the Fill panel. Step 4. If you select the dropper and choose a custom color from the clipart, the Advanced Options section will display the RGB and the hex code of the color. Step 5. Now you can use the RGB and hex codes for your other projects. Step 6. If you need to color a design using an RGB code, go under the Advanced Options section and enter the code in the RGB code. Step 7. To choose a color using hex code, simply key in the hex code in the hashtag field and you'll be able to use that color in Silhouette Studio. Step 8. You can also create a color palette using the color in the Advanced Options section. Step 9. To create a color palette, click the New Palette Name field and name it. Step 10. Using the dropper, select a color from the design and click the plus icon next to the palette to add. Step 11. You can also insert the hex code of the color in the hashtag field and click the plus icon in the palette. Step 12. Likewise, you can also use RGB code to select the color from Advanced Options and add it to the palette. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.